Okay, so we have now successfully built the ODL project, and all we need to do is to start the craft prompt. We do that by run the craft distribution. Using this command. So it takes a while to start this craft prompt and get every features in ODL loaded. And after we see this Open Daylight logo here, we can do feature install ODL-L2 switch -maple. So this will actually install our maple adapter into the ODL. For now, the craft container is still loading the bundles. After everything is loaded, we should see a print line saying maple initiated. Yeah, we should cut this part out. And so now we see the print line of maple initiated. This indicates that we are ready to go for our testing. So now we are going to open up another terminal and also do vagrant SSH into the virtual machine so that we can start a mininet virtual network. We do so by using this command. This part indicating that we are using a remote controller with the IP address of that. So this is the IP address of our controller being running on our local machine. And then we are going to indicate that for our network, we need a topology of tree with steps 1 and fanout 5. So this will start a network with 1 switch and 5 hosts attached to it. We hit enter. And we can see that a lot of print lines going on in the craft prompt, indicating that the controller is actually connected to the virtual network. Right now we can do a ping between 2 hosts. We can do H1 ping H2. Okay, so we can see that the first packet takes 36.4 milliseconds to go through. This indicates that the first package is being sent to the controller, and the follow-up packets are not being sent to controller and only forwarded to the according to the flow table installed in the switch. The packages are forwarded to the correct host, and we can view the OpenFlow flow table using this command. So we can see here there's 3 rules installed using the Maple. So the first one is it says for a package coming in from port 1 and with destination source MAC address being 1, source MAC address being 1 and destination address broadcast, and we broadcast it to the ports, which was being port 1 to port 5. And the second rule being that the learning switch has actually learned the port information about the hosts, that forwards the packet from host 1 to host 2 directly, and then the same thing happens for a packet going from host 2 to host 1. And then if we do a ping all in Mininet, it pings every host to every other host using this command. And then we also show the flow table for this switch. We can see that there's a lot more rules installed for forwarding the ping packets to each of the hosts.